set on a steep site in Pascoe Vale. Horizon House reimagines the typical suburban home to create a floor plan that sits in stark contrast to its sprawling context. The strategically placed building enables the owners to have an intimate engagement with the landscape while providing a dynamic panorama beyond. The home is organized by two programs that can be zoned off. Our intention was that the quality of light, shadow, and intimacy would differ between the two levels. The ground floor volume is solid and private, containing two bedrooms, a bathroom, and a laundry. The lower monolithic form figuratively supports the floating first floor living spaces above, with a negative space providing a double carport below. The light-filled and transparent form above acts like a single-bedroom apartment with the fundamentals of eating, sleeping, and playing all enjoyed from the first floor. The spaces are open and fluid, facilitated by large sliding doors that offer versatility and adaptability. There are two main views, north and south. The northern aspect is more intimate and seasonal, while the southern aspect is panoramic and expansive.